Ryan A here, and addressing how do affiliate programs work, right? So this is going to be a short video, very straightforward. You sign up with whatever specific company. So we're dealing with web design. I do it with hosting with WP Engine and with Elegant Themes for the DV builder, which WP Engine gives you $200 affiliate commission, and it varies for DV. So people could buy either two packages in DV, a lifetime package or a yearly package, and you get a percentage. I think it's like 15%. I would confirm that for you, but I'll put a link below so you could check it yourself. Lost train of thought. How does it work? Okay, I would put the links below to the affiliate programs for both WP Engine and DV. So all you do is sign up, right? You go and you say, yes, I want to be part of the affiliate program. They'll have you like agree to terms that don't be afraid of. And they'll ask you basic information. Why do you want to be part of the affiliate program? And yeah, don't lie, be straightforward. Say that you want to start web design and you want to get clients. And yeah, that's basically it. Then they would send you a couple of days the affiliate links, and either they approve. I've never been denied, and I don't know anyone that has been denied. So have no fear in that regard. If you do, please message me and tell me why, so that I can even be aware of why you will get denied, right? And maybe I don't know if I'll be able to help, but we could try to talk it through and see if we can find another way to get you through for the affiliate program. But yeah, so they would then send you an email with the links to the affiliates, and you could now use those links in different forms. So they would have banners that you could put on a website. They would have just a URL that you could put, let's say, in buttons, or that you could put anywhere. You could use these URLs also. You can shorten them with Bitly. You have a bunch of options to use these links, and they give you all of the options also. So they give you the specific dimensions for specific banners that you may need, and XYZ, right? When anyone clicks through that specific link anywhere on the internet, let's say through Facebook, Instagram, on your website, any source on the internet, through that link that you've put in on the back end, you will automatically get the payment straight to your account, and not to your bank account, but to your affiliate program account once the person makes that purchase, right? That's exactly how it works. So for example, I had a client yesterday, paid for the hosting, and within 5 minutes I had $200 go to my WP Engine account. Now I have the trusted program, so after 45 days that releases, and then I can get that sent to my account. One more thing to keep in mind: if your client purchases hosting and after 30 days or before 30 days they cancel, you will not get that affiliate commission. It will be taken away from you. If they stay on for the first month, you would get that affiliate commission, right? I think that's about it, guys. I hope you did enjoy. Subscribe, click that notification bell next to subscribe so that you'll be notified when I put up more videos. Check us out on Facebook, Honest Web Design. If you want my course, How to Build a Web Design Business, by all means, click the link below and join us. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.